Hey everyone, welcome back. This is everything I picked up at CVS for the sales week of December 20th through December 26th. When the sneak peek of the ad first came out and I was going through it, I didn't feel like there was very much going on this week, and I still don't feel like it, but I was able to pick up a couple deals. I did make one mistake on the Carefree and the OB that made this transaction $11 instead of $3.75. But that's okay. Everything doesn't always go as planned, and sometimes I do make mistakes. So I'm going to go ahead and go over the deals with you guys, and we'll go over the final numbers at the end. So first thing, these Gillette Sensor Plus 2 razors. These are priced at $6.49 in the store. No promotion on these. I wasn't getting anything back, but I did have two $3 off of one Gillette or Venus disposable razor CRTs. So I stacked those together. $6 came off and made the final cost of these razors just 49 cents. On the Clairol, nice and easy. These are priced at $7.99, and this week it is buy two, get a $4 extra care buck. So I picked up two for $15.98. I had a digital BOGO coupon for up to $7.99, and then I used a manufacturer paper coupon, BOGO, for up to $7.99. They glitched together, both of them came off, made these completely free. I got a $4 extra care buck, making them a $4 moneymaker. On the Dove shampoo and conditioner, this week Dove is 2 for $7. I had a $3 off of two digital coupon. That left me to pay $4. I got back a $2 extra care buck, making the final cost just $2 or $1 each. So now for the OB and the Carefree. This week, OB, Carefree, and Playtex is buy one, get one 50% off. Spend $12, get a $3 extra care buck. The OB was $8.99, the Carefree was $4.59, and half off it was $2.29. So both of these brought me to $11.28. That's where I made my first mistake. That is not equal to 12, so I didn't get the $3 extra care buck because it didn't even meet the 98% rule. So this brought me to $11.28. I had a $2 off of Carefree Breathe CRT that I thought was going to work on this, and then I had a $4 off OB CRT. And then I had a $3 off of two digital manufacturer coupon that attached to these two. I thought I was going to pay $2.28, get back a $3 extra care buck, making it a 72-cent moneymaker. I was wrong. So the $2 CRT didn't automatically go through. So she said she was going to push it through, but it didn't show on my receipt, so it wasn't pushed through. I ended up paying $4.28 for these two items, and I didn't get back anything. I got back $0. So what I should have did is picked up the OB, and I should have picked up the Playtex tampons at $9.49. These would have been half off at $4.49. The Playtex and the OB would have brought me to $13.98. I could have used a 4 off of 12. Adult Care CRT, I could have used the 3 off of 2 manufacturer digital coupon. I could have used the 4 off of OB CRT and the $3 off of one Playtex CRT that I have for 32 count tampons. That would have brought me down to $0, and I would have got a $3 extra care buck, making them free and a $3 moneymaker. Instead, I paid $4.28 for these two, and I got back nothing. So that was a mistake on my part. Pretty bummed about that. Even if I do the return, I won't be able to do the deal that I just mentioned, because when you do a return, you do get your extra care bucks back, but you lose out on the CRTs that you used. Over is a spend 30 get 10. I picked up the Pull-Ups and the Huggies. This week they are 2 for $20. I had a 2 off of 20 Huggies Pull-Ups or Good Nights CRT. I had a $2 off of one Huggies Diapers and a $2 off of one Pull-Ups. That brought me down to $14. For the Kleenex this week they are 2 for $3. I picked up 4 for $6. I had a $1 off of 4 manufacturer coupon, and then I had a $1 off of 2 Kleenex tissue CRT that printed for everybody last week, which is the 13th through the 19th. That took off $2 and made 4 of them $4 or $1 each. And then the Scott paper towel was on sale this week for $5.49, and I had no coupons for that. So I think that's everything. Total for the spend 30 get 10 was $31.49. I had $8 in coupons for these 7 items. That took me down to $23.49. I got back the $10 extra care buck for spending $30. That left me with a cost of $13.49 for 7 items, or about $1.92 each. Not the best deal, but I like to stack up on both diapers and paper towel or toilet paper when I get the chance. So it's an okay deal for me. On the Maybelline, I was hoping to pick up the the lip balms that are priced at $4.69. The correct name is not coming to me right now, but my store was completely out. So I picked up 2 of these Maybelline concealer sticks. These are priced at $7.29. I had a $5 off instant coupon for Maybelline or L'Oreal that printed at the Redbox machine last week from the 13th through the 19th. And then I had a BOGO CRT for Maybelline lip or eye. So total for these 2 at $7.29 each brought me to $14.59. That $5 CRT, the $7.29 BOGO CRT, that left me to pay $2.29. I got back a $5 extra care buck, making them free, and a $2.71 moneymaker. This week's Select Oral-B and Scope mouthwash are priced at $3.99. Buy 3, get a $5 extra care buck, limit of 2. So I did the deal twice. I picked up 3 of the toothbrush at $3.99. I picked up 3 of the Scope at $3.99. That brought me to $23.94. I had a 6 off of 4 digital. I had a $1 off of Scope mouthwash digital. I had a $1 off Oral-B toothbrush digital. Then I had a 4 off of 14 Crest or Oral-B CRT. That brought my total down to $11.94. I got back the $10 extra care buck. That brought me down to a final cost of $1.49 or about 32 cents each. So here's the receipt. There are 4 of the Kleenex, 2 of the Huggies, the Dove, the Scott, the Oral-B toothbrush, the Scope mouthwash, Gillette razors, OB, and the Carefree, the 2 Maybelline, and then the Clairol. All of my manufacturer coupons went through. All of my digital coupons that were supposed to come off did come off, and then there's the Clairol glitch. There is all of my CRTs that went through. The only CRT that didn't go through, like I mentioned, was the $2 Carefree CRT. She told me she was going to push it through, but it didn't pop up, so I'm assuming she didn't. I rolled $37 in extra care bucks. I had a subtotal of $9.49. I paid half on a gift card and half out of pocket. I had a total savings of $133.39, which is 39%. I got back $10 for spending $30 on select products, $2 for the Dove hair care, $4 for the Clairol, $10 for the Scope and Oral-B, and then $5 for the Maybelline products. So here is for the first transaction. Subtotal plus extra care bucks brought me to $46.49. I got back $31, which left me negative $15.49. Beauty in this transaction, I picked up $37.56. I have an existing beauty of $11.91. That brought me to $49.47 towards beauty. So within 48 hours, I will get a $3 beauty buck. This is bothering me. Sorry, you guys. So $15.49 minus the $3 beauty buck that I will get makes the final cost for my first transaction $12.49. So this is everything I picked up in the second transaction. I'm going to start off with the L'Oreal. Nothing back for this. These are priced at $18.99. I had 2 $6 off of 1 L'Oreal Age Perfect Moisturizer CRTs and a 5 off of 15 L'Oreal Facial Care. That took off $17 and left me to pay $1.99. Some of those CRTs were expiring today, and $18.99 will count towards beauty, so I decided to just pick this up for $1.99. The Gillette razor, again, these are priced at $6.49. I had 2 $3 off Gillette or Venus disposable razor CRTs. That brought this down to just 49 cents. Clairol, I did do this deal again. These are priced at $7.99 each. 2 brought me to $15.98. I had a digital BOGO for up to $7.99, and then I had a manufacturer paper coupon. So they glitched together, took off the complete $15.98 and made them free, and I got back a $4 extra care buck for buying 2, making them a $4 moneymaker. So funny story. My hair has, up until a couple of days ago, was to my waistline, which has been the longest it has ever been in my entire life because I was addicted to cutting my hair. But honestly, I don't know how people with long hair do it. I was just so sick of it. I never knew what to do with it. It was always up in a bun. It was breaking off because I always had it in a high bun. So I have like short hairs in the front and in the back. So the other day I was trying to do something to it. I couldn't find my straightener and I just told my husband, just cut it. So he took off like a good 5 inches and I'm completely happy. So since he took off all that hair, maybe I'll dye my hair. So anyways, on to the next. Sour Patch Kids. This week they are buy one, get one 50% off. These are priced at $1.39. So $1.39 and 69 cents half off brought me to $2.08. I got back a $2 extra care buck, making the final cost 8 cents or just 4 cents each. And these are really cute for like stocking stuffers. Last thing I did was the tree-free green toilet paper. I picked these up last time. I can't speak for how good they are or aren't, but since we were on a toilet paper shortage not too long ago, I'm picking up what I can when I can. So this week they are priced on sale for $2.99. Buy two, get a $3 extra care buck. I had a CRT for buy two, get one free, so I picked up 3 for $8.97. That buy two, get one free CRT took off $2.99. Made the final cost of $5.98. I got back the $3 extra care buck for buying 2, making the final cost just $2.97 or 99 cents each. So that was everything for the second transaction. Here's the toilet paper, priced at $2.99 each. The Sour Patch Kids buy one get one 50 at $1.39. The Gillette for $6.49. The Clairol hair for $7.99 each, and then the L'Oreal moisturizer for $18.99. The manufacturer coupon for the Clairol went through. The Clairol Digital glitched and came off also. All of my CRTs for this one went through just fine. I rolled $10 in extra care bucks and I paid 54 cents. I had a total savings of $54.17. And then I got back $3 for the toilet paper, $2 for the candy, and $4 for the Clairol for a total of $9.54. Brought me to $10.54. I got back 9, made it $1.54. Beauty, I picked up $34.97 between the moisturizer and the hair care. And then I have an existing beauty on this account of $7.24. That brings me to $42.21. So within 48 hours, I will get a $3 beauty buck. So that makes this transaction a $1.46 moneymaker. So my first transaction after my beauty bucks, this is $12.49. Second was $1.46. So that makes everything $11.03 for 31 items or 35 cents each. Like I said, I did pay $4.28 for the OB and the Carefree. So I will return that. If I don't, that's okay. But I just wanted to show you guys that my cost without those two would have been $6.49 for 29 items or 23 cents each. But you guys, if I had did the breakdown that I told you with the Playtex and the OB, my cost for everything would have been $3.75. I hope I'm not confusing you guys. I just want to let you know that CVS really does give you CRTs to get a really low out of pocket if you do your math correctly. It's okay if you make mistakes. I've been couponing for like 2 years and I still make mistakes all the time. So that does bring us to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know your favorite deal going on CVS this week, and I will see you guys in the next one.